before we start into this video, no bad intentions of ruining anybody's whatever they got going on, but seems like my fans and my new fans are actually interested in knowing like what's okay. What actually happened? Why do I actually really not hang around with Jackson, Leo, and Drizzy? So, okay, the last time I was hanging around with those boys, the last time I know Leo was this day. We was at KFC, and I mean like Young Leandro was actually pre-planned, so our manager had hit us up about like we talk say, yo, I need y'all for a studio session, like it's gonna be vibes, you know. It's gonna be like about everything. And back then, mind that, like this side where I stay from, cause I know Uti, a lot of people and a lot of school likes to say they come from the hood, but I'm literally coming from the hood. So like where I come from is actually kind of like Kune Gebengo and all that, yabo. And mind that, Leo, Jack, and Treasy, they literally stay on the other side, yabo. So me, I'm like, okay, this studio session, obviously, every time I see a Lapasbura around like 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m., so it's actually late. So if we take an Uber, obviously we all know the Uber doesn't go around dropping people as if like my room and stuff, like taking school kids. No, like it drops us in like one location, so we actually had to walk separately into our poses, which actually happens to actually leave me alone to actually walk alone in a dangerous place. So me, I actually spoke to the manager. I'm like, bro, okay, I see like Uti, this thing is actually gonna go on, but can I actually bring someone? Cause we having a problem with the load shedding. You feel me? So as we have a problem with load shedding, the niggas actually like nothing. He started having doubts ngayo lento lena. He said like, nah bro, laphayana tingala abantu who are actually big, people who actually have a platform and all that. In my head I'm like, okay, shoot, this nigga really wants me to get his Kimpilo Yami over his session, yabo. But I didn't want it to say it like that because it was something I think I'm rude, yabo. So I shut the fuck up. Then we carried on speaking about it. He got agreed, yabo. And as he agrees, we're speaking offline because it's me and my cousin's situation. Me bringing my cousin's situation. Yeah, now he doesn't know nothing. Oh, Jack doesn't know nothing. Sorry, I mean that. Oh, Jack they don't know nothing, yabo. So okay, cool. The thing happened. We pull up Friday. I'm okay. Everybody is there. My cousin pull up and Peleze and all that. We going together. Eh? Then when we get there, everything is cool. We enter the studio. We set up and all that. Then the manager hits me up and be like, "Let's go and actually get things for the session. We have a great time. We can't just be raw there and be authentic and be us, like for real, for real, for real." So when that actually happened, I was like, okay, let's buy. And he told us to actually bring a speaker so we can make some content there. Of which is why I actually showed you this video, So when that happened, we went there. Very going on there. Jack was actually on his feelings. I don't know what happened with him, but he was angry, So when actually like that happens, I'm like, I'm chill. Like I really am a very very aggressive person to an extent, Excuse my mom, she's the one who's actually yelling outside. So when that actually happens, I'm like, oh, okay, I see this nigga is actually on some other negative stuff. You know what? Let me not entertain the shiniest. I get there, we shoot, shoot, shoot. So as they shooting me, I'm interacting with the homeless para there. I'm just blooming, bro. Yabo. So I guess the manager actually calls me while they are shooting. When the manager calls me when we are shooting, he asked me like, Uti, yo, yesterday, as you told me, Uti, you bringing your cousin and I saw him. What does he actually drink? As in like how much spirits, alcohol, and I told him, I'm like, say, I won't lie to you. This nigga is not a high class brew. He's like a normal classy brew like me. He drinks black label. And cause he drinks black label, I'ma do that shit too. Because we finna go live and all that. So I can't actually expect my cousin to actually look like, okay, now we live there, we having fun, then there's this one brew with the brown bottle at the back, yabo, all those type of stuff. Me, I was avoiding that and making sure that my cousin is having a great time, cause as he's there, he doesn't know anybody but me, yabo. We spoke about that, me and the manager. As soon as I return back, Jack stares at me and be like, "What have you done now?" I'm like, "Done? How? What are you talking about?" Then I explained him like, "Okay, nah, this bro is asking me what does my cousin drink and all that." He was like, "What the fuck, bro? You using our name to get things for your cousin? You dumb. We slim. Uphuma efeminini engafundisekile kahle. Ngiyahlupheka kini." I'm like, he lashes on, boy. He goes crazy, goes crazy, goes crazy. At the back of my at the back of my mind, me, I'm like, okay, you know what? I see he's overheated. Let me just relax, cause Yonke Lento is heavily bro. Everything is happening like publicly on the KFC shandes, yeah, bro. So we can't just cause commotion, lapo. Nanoguti, we actually dancing there. You feel me? So when actually look, I'm like, okay, bro, I'm relaxed, yabo. He carries on saying those type of stuff. He includes old shit. And mind that, yonke lento ayibalayo yakudala, bro actually had a promo for Zahara. Zahara paid him 2,000. I was part of that video. I have evidence. And as I was part of that video, that nigga never gave me any cut. Instead of that, he chopped that money with his friend, and with his girlfriend, and whoever, Omoy, yabo. And I never had no problem because Zahara DM'd him. Now when Skata DMs me and I tell him my situation, because I already know what to say. I'm coming from a family that I'm raised by a single mother, young Tito, like she tries to put on the table. Sometimes I'm now. So Jack is my friend using Lento IANs against me. It's like, okay, yo bro, you helping me. Yeah, bro, every time. But now we argue when you're starting to use Lauma file against me. I mean, I cannot hang around with niggas like that. As much as I had a lot of fame and zonke izinto ezenzakalile started through me. The Benfeld to music video, I was the one who was caught. But mina ngenzani, I told them, look, I can't do it without my gang. Secondly, when that actually happened, me and Leo actually had a thing going on, for which Leo actually deleted my videos, of which is why me, I'm not on the thing doing Mhlaba Shandis. And people do not know this thing because they actually think like, oh, okay, Xavier is not serious. But like, it's on some, bro, I don't like being in a place where I don't feel like fun and give me an apple, bro. I must be in that place. Yeah, bro. But actually, that's the story of actually like why I'm, I'm no longer part of Garage Boys, and I don't actually think I will be Garage Boys because I'm like sustaining views myself. Cause I heard after I actually dropped that video, like niggas actually thought like I'm using them for fame and all that. Nigga, I'm taking this shit on the tube, bro.